Anthony Garcia is living the American dream. The happily married father of two has been working at Sandia National Labs since 2007 on projects we're not even at liberty to share in this story. But that's not what we're focusing on here.
There was a lot of hardships, and there was always this kind of American dream that they had, that my grandfather had especially, that he was going to take his kids to America where you could be successful.
Garcia's maternal grandfather brought his family to the United States from Chile in the 1960s, surviving a litany of challenges, including a massive 9.5 earthquake in May of 1960, the most powerful earthquake ever recorded.
He worked hard, my family worked hard their entire lives to give us opportunities.
Garcia's father grew up in Tucumcari, living with 6 siblings in a modest one-bedroom home. His dad, the first in his family to graduate from college.
And I could really see kind of the delta in the life before he got his college education and after. And just what an impact that made on his opportunities and the opportunities that I would have if I did the same thing.
Opportunities to grow and learn were paramount in the Garcia family. As Anthony fondly recalls, he was gifted a set of craft sticks as a child, a gift that would foster his innate curiosity and problem-solving skills.
It was the best present that I'd got, and something I still remember, and we still kind of talk about it as a family, but I was able to make things, and then that kind of gave me a passion for making things and figuring how things work and how do things put together.
Garcia would go on to earn his undergrad at the University of New Mexico, but he didn't want to stop there, partly because he knew the cards were stacked against him in the world of engineering.
There's a bit of an imposter syndrome you get, especially as a minority, that you don't necessarily belong amongst the top scientists and people in your field.
According to Zippia, there are more than 228,000 engineers employed in the United States, but only 9% of those are Latino. With just over half of New Mexico identifying as Hispanic, it's a sector in the labor force that has plenty of room to grow.
Even when I was an undergrad or in high school, I would say, even before undergrad, you tell kids that you wanted to become something like an engineer, you wanted to work for NASA, and you would immediately get told, like, you can't do that. You're not from that community. You don't belong there.
Defying stereotypes, Anthony went on to earn his PhD in mechanical engineering from UNM. As a design engineer with Sandia, he's had a hand on numerous projects, from concept to creation over the years. Just recently, his work was recognized on the national stage, earning the Star of Today Award in government through the Society of Hispanic Professional Engineers.
It was great to share that with my wife and my kids.
His kids and the next generation of engineers coming up behind him keep Anthony leaning forward in his work, knowing that while success like his is earned, the people around you, the people who motivate you, can make dreams a reality.
I'd like to be able to show kids that they can come from humble beginnings and then get to the places that they want to get to in their life. Someone like them, someone that came from humble beginnings too, someone that looks like them and talks like them, can get to places that they may not have dreamed about.